type a simple keyword into this box over here. Click on generate, and you'll be able to collect your earnings online again and again. Ambassador Samuel says over here, hello Millionaire Mindset, I love what you're doing, but I'm from Nigeria and struggling to make money online. So do you have anything that can work for me? Ambassador Samuel, this is going to be a video for you because in this video, the short little steps that I just showed you can work worldwide in any single country because anybody can access this website. It pays out direct to bank, PayPal, or Bitcoin, which are all worldwide payment methods. And I also quickly want you to comment down below, what's your favorite kind of money? Do you like Bitcoin, PayPal money, or direct to bank? Comment down below. The one that gets the most comments, I'll make more videos for that specific payment method. So make sure to go and do that so I can have a look at what kind of content I want to make for you guys. But I'm not going to waste any time. Let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how to make money online. Last night I hit 100,000 subscribers and I just want to say thank you so much for your support. So it's my turn to give a bit back to you guys. Firstly, I'm going to do a crazy giveaway in this video. I'm going to give away my 6-figure drop servicing university program to one lucky viewer, and I'm going to take the price down all the way from $397 to just $47. So you need to enter this coupon on the checkout over here and you will get that for $47. It's literally less than cost price, so I'm not making really profits on that. And in order to win that bootcamp, all you need to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe with the red notification bell on. You need to do those two, and then thirdly, comment down below I am ready, and I will choose a random comment out the comments in tomorrow's video to give that giveaway to. And also I promised I would announce the winner from yesterday's giveaway in today's video, but that I'll do at the end, so make sure to watch this video throughout. And let's get straight into my PC. Alright, so we're now inside of my PC, and this is the brand new website over here that requires one bot to literally generate money online. So this is Zyro. We can see this person or this bot as Zyro. Now Zyro has different functions, from AI writers, AI heat map, AI slogan generators, AI background removers, AI image upscalers, AI business name generators, AI blog generators, and it has a bunch of different bots that you can go and use. Now we can actually use the bots from Zyro to go and make money online. So take a look at this. This is the best part about Zyro. They charge like $2, $3, $9, and $14 a month. What I like about this website, you don't need to pay a cent because all the bots that they give you to use are completely for free. So you don't need to worry about spending money or taking your credit card out or actually paying anything for this website. It's completely free. And just to show you that this is a trusted website, if I come over to Trustpilot, take a look at this. Zyro.com has reviews of 373 and a 4.6 star rating with an 84% excellent rating. So if I scroll down, you've got writers was great, excellent customer service, the platform is very good. Code, this website is very good. From apprehensive to total fan in a week, excellent builder. So if I scroll down, you literally won't see anything less than a 5-star rating. So this is just to show you that this is a trusted website, as sometimes, you know, when people talk about bots or those kind of terms in a YouTube video, it often can be something scammy. So this is just to show you that this is a real tool. People rate it, people are using it. Now I've combined this strategy with this tool and bot to actually make money with. So that's going to lead us to the next step. Now that we've come to our website or our bot named Zyro, and we've identified what kind of bot tools they have, and we've verified that this is a trusted website, we need to go and hover over all products. You want to hover over AI slogan generator, click on that option, and over here, make heads turn with a memorable slogan created by the AI powered generator, aka a bot. 4 simple steps: enter a keyword, it will generate slogans, choose a slogan, and you can stand out. Now, all of these tools over here and all of these bots over here are tools that are required for a person or an individual or a business that wants to use a tool for a business. All businesses need a slogan. They all need name generators or a name of a business. They all need titles of content, emails. They all need logos and domains. And all of these tools are essentials required for a business or an individual wanting to start up a business. And take a look at how easy this bot is. All you need to do is type a simple keyword. And if you click on generate slogan over here, the bot will literally take a couple of seconds. It will tell you to please wait. And in just 5 seconds, it will generate hundreds of different slogans for you, which you can actually go and use to make money with. Millionaire Mindset, perfection at its finest. Mindset, the choice out. The label of all environment issues. Mindful is a no joke. Mindset, no one else is better. The best place to be for happy cleaning a tough loan. If you look a step closer, you will see we're trusted. Pop and fresh mindset. So you can see these are quite cool slogans that actually stand out that this bot has generated me. Now I want you to take a look at this. Over here on this website, I will reveal this in a bit. People are paying anywhere between $35 and $75 online to create unique names and slogans for businesses. Why people are paying so much is because people can't think of so many of these slogans at once, but they also don't realize there are bots online like Xyro.com that can do all of the work for you. So smart people are using a bot like Xyro.com to go and make money selling these slogans, and people are actually buying. Take a look at this. This person that writes a slogan or a caption for your business charges $55. They have had so far, if you look at the reviews, 582 reviews. Now in order to leave a review, you need to have placed an order. So that means this gig has had a total of a minimum of at least 582 orders. So let me take out the calculator. Let's go 582 plus multiplied by $55. That's $32,010 this person has made so far using this bot to sell these slogans. And it's honestly a no-brainer. If anybody ever did it, you can too. I've just shown you the perfect bot tool to generate these slogans. This is not the only person. This person has got a total of 632 orders at least. It could be more. Let's go 55 times 632. This person has made $34,760 at least, creating a cracking tagline for your business. If I scroll down some more, let's go and take a look if there's any other people that have placed orders. Over here is a person, take a look at this. They charge $40 to create an awesome slogan or tagline, but they have gotten so far 8,700 reviews. That means they have had a minimum of 8,700 orders. So again, let's go 40 multiplied by 8725, the amount of reviews / orders. This person has made 6 figures just selling slogans using this bot. $349,000 using this bot, generating slogans and selling that online. Now remember, $40 might not seem like a lot, but if you can get volume to $40, it can add up to a large amount of money. Like this person has shown, if you can get 8,000 people to place an order of $40, that is over $300,000 that you will make. If you can get 300,000 people to place an order of $1 with you, that is $300,000 that you can make. Making money online is not so much about pasting links everywhere, hoping people will buy, but it's working smart with tools like this and getting volume to whatever product or service that you're selling. And here's the best part. I'm going to show you a second tool that you can use to double your income from this. Over here is another tool, or you could call a bot called Slogan Slingers. So this you can call Mr. Slinger over here, who automatically generates more slogans for you. You can click on I need a slogan for my company or your product, service, or event. You just need to enter in the following information: your email address, password, name of the company, a brief description, for example, software development, who is the target audience, people interested in IT, list as many as pertinent details as possible. So this includes info about your audience, lifestyle, education, behaviors, etc. What is the single biggest point you want to get across in your slogan? So that means to get our name, to get something memorable. You can say anything like that. Now, when you are selling your service on this website over here, called People Per Hour, you can actually ask them in your gig, please answer these questions for me to get the best slogan for you. And you can come over to sloganslingers.com, enter the information that your client or lead has given you into this app over here. Just copy and paste these questions on peopleperhour.com. Paste their answers here, click on continue, and it will generate the perfect slogan made for their business. And thirdly, take a look at this. If you click on write slogans over here, it will take you to this page over here, and you can actually get paid to write slogans here as well. So you can come over to the same bot over here, Mr. Xyro, use your slogans from here and apply for contests on Slogan Slingers. And read this. Show off your skills against other great writers from the US, UK, Australia and around the world. So not only you can get noticed and get your work out there worldwide, entries are kept confidential until the contest ends so nobody can mimic your work. This website protects all your work and no one can copy that. And you can have the chance to win up to $999 for your creativity if somebody chooses your slogan. So this is just a second platform that you can use this Zyro bot to go and make money with through contests. So not only are you earning a fixed income through your gigs on people per hour, all you do is just click on freelance on the top and sign up. It's that easy. You can also win up to $999 as a freelancer or a contestant in writing slogans for sloganslingers.com. And I'm not even finished yet. As a third alternative to bring in a third income stream from this slogan generator bot, you can come over to squadhelp.com, which will have tons of more contests that can pay you way better than sloganslingers.com. So when you're using this tool called Zyro or this bot called Zyro to generate your slogans, come to Squad Help over here, submit contests over here, and on Slogan Slingers over here to twice the chances of you making money from your contests. So firstly, come over to squadhelp.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom over here, click on Become a Creative under the Resources section. If I scroll down over here, submit your ideas in naming slogan or logo contests. Contest holders rate your ideas and provide feedback, earn cash rewards if your idea is selected by the company, earn badges and points and bragging rights when your ideas are liked. So over here, you just need to click on join now. You can go and launch your own contests and you can get paid for other companies accepting and using your slogans. But quickly before I go, I just wanted to announce the winner of yesterday's giveaway. This person on the screen over here is the winner of that $30 giveaway. So all you need to do is DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle on the screen and we'll sort out your giveaway from there. And also wanted to remind you about today's giveaway. Link in the description, the first link to get the drop servicing bootcamp for $47 off if you enter this coupon on the screen over here on the checkout. This is exclusive just for my channel that has hit 100,000 subscribers, and to say thank you. And also make sure you like, subscribe with the bell on, comment down below I'm ready, and I will choose a random comment to get the 6-figure drop servicing bootcamp completely for free. So make sure to go and do all of that down below, and make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm going to have a banger of a video. But take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.